Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you modern kitchen countertop design idea. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. There are several countertop options that you can choose from. Each comes with its own surface and color feature. You should compare all options together to get a good idea of which option might be right with your needs in particular. This is to give you a better total look all the way through. When choosing a countertop, you have to look carefully to see that you have a choice that fits in well with your kitchen and that will stand out quite well. All of these options are suitable for any shape that you want to use when getting a quality kitchen ready, but you should at least look at how well it can be used in any situation. You have a few different directions to go as you are choosing a new countertops, and they all have a different qualities and price point. Laminate is probably the most common type of countertop because of both its cost and durability, and modern technology has greatly improved both the performance and overall visual appeal of laminate. Marble, along with both soapstone and limestone, are still popular option for countertops because of their intricate details, long life and beauty. Granite is a popular type of countertop surface for how it offers a sturdy body. Granite is commonly used for how it is sturdy and easy to clean off. The fact that it comes with a number of colors and always comes with a solid surface is especially important to its popularity. It is an antibacterial surface that is easy to clean off because of its lack of pores. This can handle heat quite well. It will not wrap or weaken as a result of any intense amount of heat added onto its body. So if you have a small kitchen appliances on your countertop that get hot, it shouldn't cause any problem. Granite is cut into slabs to cover entire countertop area without any visible seams. Much like marble, sandstone, and limestone, each slab of granite will have its own original pattern and color, making it uniquely beautiful. Quartz is a very popular for countertops surface. It's very durable surface that commonly resemble the look of stone or can even mimic the look of marble and granite. It's also easy to maintain, making it a good option for countertops. Marble is another choice for countertop. This offers a more elegant look to any countertop it is applied on. It blends in well with most bases. It is cool on its surface and isn't too hard to use. This can handle a large amount of water at any time. Laminate is another good choice for countertop. A laminate surface provides you with beautiful stone-like surface without having to spend as much. With laminate worktop, you will use a series of slim paper sheets that you are fixed together with special glue. These paper sheets are designed with a particular pattern in mind to create a simulated stone or wood surface. There are no real limits as to what appearance a laminate worktop can take on. It can specially be used to look like natural stone materials. It is an antibacterial surface thanks to how it does not contain any pores. This is heat and scratch resistant, can handle heavy amount of wear quite well. This can be used in any kind of kitchen, including a more contemporary option. Concrete has long been used in a variety of flooring setups, but today it can also be used on countertops. Concrete countertops will use a solid body that feature a thick design. Various paint feature and other decorative accent can be prepared in a concrete mold. You can get your countertop designed in practically any shape you want. There is even the option to organize your countertop with a series of artistic design on the top of art. The seams on concrete countertops are invisible. Stainless steel is a sturdy material that has been long used in a variety of commercial kitchen. Today it can be used in typical homes just as well. Stainless steel is antibacterial surface that is easy to clean off. It is a waterproof surface that takes in moisture and gives you enough time to clean it off. It can be used on many bases as it is lightweight. Stainless steel can handle intense amount of heat and most acid without wearing out. Quartz and granite are the most popular style for countertops because of their beauty, durability and long life. Glass countertop. Glass is an attractive material to use on a number of countertops today. It adds a beautiful style with a light look. It is specially made with modern home design in mind. Wood is another great choice for countertops. For more rustic appearance in your kitchen, you may choose wood countertops. It is usually made from oak or maple stripe. Proper installation and maintenance are the best way to get the long life for the countertops. Quartz, granite and marble can last forever. Solid surfaces can last as long as quartz and marble. There are so many different type of style and material and color available for countertops. Everyone seems to have their own particular taste, which countertop they are most attracted to. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you to choose the best countertop design idea for your home. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see lot of more home related videos.